What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Carlos. Behind me is a Jeep that I just can't leave alone. Well, I guess what's left of a Jeep. Something new happened back here. That's what this video is all about. Let's get into it. So I've had this wrap on the Jeep, the orange side in particular, for about 6 or 8 months. The matte black vinyl has been on there a little bit longer, but it's still only been like 9 months, 10 months. So now that the show season is over, it is the end of the year, and I don't have another really big show to be at for a number of months. I figured it was a good time to strip everything back down and start fresh. And I really think you guys are gonna like the new vinyl that I've chosen for the Jeep. I'm sure you've never seen anything like it. But before I pull this vinyl off, I did want to go around and just kind of show you how it held up. I am by no means a professional vehicle wrapper. I'm sure that if there was any failure points, it was on me, not on the vinyl itself. So just keep that in mind. This has always been a problem area for me. It's that indentation here on the door, on the handles or whatever. Every single time I've ever wrapped a Jeep, it has lifted right here. So I expected that. That never really bothered me too much. I did have one spot where I cut it a little bit too short here on the corner, and that is pulling up. Overall, everything else has held up pretty well. It is the exact same on the other side with the door hinges. We're gonna end up rewrapping the entire Jeep. All of the black, like I said, has been here for a little bit longer. So hopefully that comes up just as easily. But I am leaving the Jeep out to bake in the sun a little bit, and we're gonna start stripping it off. I didn't really film a bunch of it this time. I've already done a video on how to wrap your Jeep. I'll link that down below if you haven't seen it yet. But I don't want to keep you guys waiting any longer. Here's a time lapse of the install and the final reveal. So I'm interrupting this part of the wrap progress because we got a cool little mod here. So since I have the door handles off already, there's actually no better time than right now to swap over to this new style of door handle. And I got these on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. But these are JL style handles almost, where you're actually gonna, instead of pressing the button here to open the door, you're just going to be able to pull the handle. So I'm going to go ahead and swap these on. There's plenty of videos online about how to change your door handles or take them off. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but because I already had to do it, I went ahead and decided to go with this upgrade as well. This vinyl color is truly insane. It's a brand new design from Vvivid Vinyls. Vivid's the company that I get all of my vinyl from. Everything that I've ever wrapped the Jeep in came from Vvivid. Vvivid seems to be a really good company. They're based in Canada. They don't sponsor me, so this is kind of take it or leave it. But like I said, this has quickly become my favorite new vinyl. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Also, what do you think about the door handles? These things are kind of rad. I just threw them on there and thought that they looked pretty cool. Just kind of change it up a little bit. Those were sent to me, so I will leave a link down below if you guys want to check those out. I mean, hey, once you've done every mod you can to your Jeep, the door handles probably come next. But that's all I got for you guys today. I appreciate you for watching. Thank you so much. Make sure, if you haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe down below, and stay tuned because the next video is non-stop off-roading. That's going to be a good one.